Do you ever listen to English, understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, your brain freezes? You know the words, you studied the grammar, but nothing comes out naturally. Here's the truth. English fluency doesn't come from studying harder. It comes from training smarter. And one of the best techniques to train your speaking is called shadowing, a method used by actors, interpreters, and language learners to build fast, confident speech. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you practice clear, slow, real English every day, with no stress, no pressure, and no memorization. Today's lesson is your guide to shadowing like a pro, using just 10 minutes a day. You'll speak more fluently, understand faster, and sound more natural. So if you want to speak English with confidence, not just in your head but out loud, hit subscribe and let's build your daily routine now. Tip 1. Start with one sentence only. When you're just starting shadowing, less is more. Don't try to copy a whole video or paragraph. Start with one simple sentence and master it. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat it 3 different ways. 1 slowly, to feel every sound. 2 naturally, like a daily habit. 3 with emotion, like you're telling a friend. Say it like this. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. This teaches your mouth how English feels. Your tongue learns the rhythm. Your voice grows confident. It's like learning piano, one note at a time. You wouldn't play a full song on day 1, right? So don't rush. Repeat one sentence a day for 1 week. Let fluency grow from focus, not pressure. Tip 2. Use the mirror trick. Your voice is powerful, but your mouth is your tool. Most English learners don't open their mouths wide enough. They speak softly or hide their face. This blocks fluency. Stand in front of a mirror. Watch your lips, tongue, and teeth. Shadow this line. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Are your lips moving clearly? Are you copying native mouth shapes? Are your sounds full and open? Mirror shadowing helps with sounds like th, this, r, read, write, l, love, like, now how. Seeing yourself builds awareness and confidence. It also teaches your brain, this is how English looks. Even 5 minutes a day in the mirror can fix years of poor pronunciation. Train like a singer, with your voice and your face. Tip 3. Chunk the sentence. Fluent English isn't spoken word by word, it's spoken in chunks. Chunks are small groups of words that go together naturally. They make your speech sound smooth and native-like. Let's take a sentence. I go to work by bus. Instead of I go to work by bus, say I go to work by bus, chunked. Repeat each group with natural stress and intonation. Shadowing in chunks helps your brain understand meaning, not just vocabulary. It also makes it easier to copy real-life speech. Practice these chunks too. Can I help you? I'm just looking. How was your day? Listen to how natives pause. Feel the rhythm. Shadow each group until it feels automatic. This is how actors learn lines and how you'll build real fluency. Tip 4. Use your hands. Want to remember English faster? Add movement. It's called Total Physical Response, TPR, and it connects action to language. When you say, I'm making breakfast now, pretend to cook, flip a pancake, pour tea, crack an egg. Why? Because when you move and speak together, your brain forms deeper memory connections. You're not just repeating sounds, you're living them. This technique helps with vocabulary recall, muscle memory for pronunciation, confidence during real-life speaking. You can shadow any routine this way. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm tying my shoes. Bend and tie. Make English physical. Speak with your hands. Fluency grows when your whole body learns the language. Tip 5. Shadow the emotion. Words alone don't make you fluent. Emotion makes your English real. When you shadow, don't just repeat sounds. Feel the mood of the sentence. Take this line, I'm so tired today. Say it with feeling. Yawn. Sigh. Stretch the vowels. I'm so tired today. Now try. That's amazing, with excitement. Oh no, with worry. I can't wait, with joy. Shadowing with emotion teaches tone and pitch variation, real-life speaking styles, how to connect with people. It also builds your confidence. You'll stop sounding flat or unsure and start sounding real. So act it out. Your fluency lives in your feelings. Tip 6. Add sound effects. Want to sound more native? Add the little things, sound effects. Native English is full of sighs, laughs, gasps, and pauses. Try, oh no, I missed the bus. Now add a gasp. Gasp, I missed the bus. Say, it's raining again. Now add a sigh. Sigh, it's raining again. These small sounds teach you natural emotion, spoken rhythm, real communication style. They also help you feel the sentence. Shadowing is not about being perfect, it's about sounding real. And real people use sound effects all the time. Practice them in your 10-minute routine. They'll bring your English to life. Tip 7. Use your ears first before you speak. Listen deeply. Shadowing isn't just about talking, it starts with your ears. Here's a 3-step method. Listen to a short clip, 5 to 10 seconds. Listen again with subtitles or a script. Now shadow, repeat after the speaker. Repeat 3-5 times. Match every pause, pitch, and emotion. Don't just copy the words, copy the whole voice. This builds rhythm awareness, accent understanding, confidence with real speech. Most learners skip listening. Don't make that mistake. Ears first, mouth second. That's the fluency formula. Tip 8. Record and compare. Want fast feedback? Record yourself shadowing. 1. Pick a sentence. 2. Shadow it 3 times. 3. Record yourself saying it. 4. Compare with the original audio. What do you notice? Is your tone flat? Is your speed too fast? Is your pronunciation clear? This simple habit helps you hear your own mistakes, track your daily progress, feel confident in your voice. Even if it feels awkward at first, keep going. Recording turns you into your own coach, and one small fix a day builds fluent speech faster than any grammar rule. Tip 9. Shadow your life. You don't need a podcast to shadow, just use your own life. Describe your actions out loud, then shadow them naturally. Examples: I'm brushing my teeth. I'm gonna work. I'm cooking dinner. Say it slowly, then say it naturally. Then say it with emotion. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth, natural. Ugh, I'm brushing my teeth again, with feeling. This builds functional fluency, the kind you use every day. You're not studying, you're living in English. Shadow your routine. Your home is your classroom. Tip 10. Make it a ritual. Shadowing works best when it becomes a ritual, not a random activity. Choose a time, a place, and a goal. Morning walk, after lunch, before bed. Set a 10-minute timer. Use a favorite audio clip. Pick one sentence or one emotion to focus on. Repeat. Record, mirror, chunk, express. Fluency is not built in a day. It's built with daily practice, with heart, with consistency, with joy. Shadowing is your gym. Do your reps, show up daily, and in 30 days, your English will start to glow. Final message. Now you know how to shadow English like a pro. Start with one line. Add movement and emotion. Train daily. Not perfectly, but consistently. Shadowing isn't magic, but it feels magical when you do it every day. Your voice will change. Your brain will respond. Your confidence will grow. I'm ready to shadow. Like this video if it helped you. And don't forget to subscribe to Slow English Lab for more daily shadowing routines. Let's speak English slowly, clearly, and naturally together.